Hello student, welcomes you all. In the last topic we have discussed about the multimedia. The concept of multimedia we already cleared. Today we will discuss about the two topics. First is the history of multimedia and my second topic is the types of multimedia. In the today's topic we can see the history of multimedia says us the history for the topic multimedia. We can see into our book, it is believed that the word multimedia was used for the first time in 1965. It was used to describe a show that brought together music, cinema, special lighting and human performance. From that we can say that in the 1965 the word multimedia was used. That time cinema, audio, movie and all the different aspect with the multimedia got together, that made the total multimedia complete topic. From that topic we can imagine that the different topics has started after the 65, but before 65, before 1965 people also were using the multimedia, but the word first time has discussed in 1965. After that so many people were using that technology includes the multimedia, combining audio visual or audio with the video. Before that I have one example. The movie name was Raja Harishchandra. In that movie, only the picture was present, not the audio. The Raja Harishchandra picture was very famous picture at that time. Nowadays also, your grandparent also known about that movie. That movie only having the video, not contain the audio. But after 65 you can watch so many movies, or during that period there are so many movies including the video, sound, audio and many more type of effects. This can be say multimedia effects. See on in your book that use of multimedia was uncommon and limited till the mid 90s. Up to the mid 90s the use of the multimedia was very limited, but after mid 90s the use was very extended. So many movies developed by the Hollywood producers, so many movies developed by the Indian producers, so many systems were using multimedia topics inside their multimedia created topic. The multimedia was using in the lot amount. We have discussed about the history of multimedia. Right now we will discuss for the types of multimedia, and for the types of multimedia there is a two type of multimedia are there. One is interactive multimedia and the second is non-interactive multimedia. Interactive means to interact with that system or with that software, or non-interactive means we only can watch. Our first type, see, we will see the first type. Interactive multimedia is also known as rich multimedia. It is very rich multimedia because we can interact with that system. We can use, we can touch that system. Without interacting, it cannot perform. We will see different examples in that point. Please see into your book. It denotes a two-way communication that allows the user to provide input to the multimedia program. In that type of interactive multimedia system, there is a need to perform some actions. Means two-way communication is there. Not only watch, just touch there and do some activities. It requires to do some activities. Right now you are watching my video, you can do your activity, you can like that video, you can write the comment while watching that video. This is the two-way communication. If I am saying you something, just only you are watching, this is not interactive type of multimedia. Interactive means to interact with that system. If I am saying to you something and you are not doing anything, that time it will be non-interactive. So many students are non-interactive. You are not one of them. You are very interactive persons. You should write my notes into your notebook. You can give me the answer. You will have so many doubts for clearing that topic. Okay, we will continue. It denotes a two-way communication. It allows the user to provide the input to the multimedia program. The input can be in the form of voice command, mouse click, text entry, touch screen or live participation. Before so many years, one movie was coming at that time, Shivaji the Boss. In that movie, the actor Rajnikant were using his laptop with his voice command. The another type of multimedia is text entry. You have already watched in so many movies, or some of you student have already used for the password. If you want to open a door, you already have watched in the movies about that topic. If you want to open a door, there is some type of password has given. If you don't know the password, you can't open that door. Firstly, you have to type the password for that door and then you can open it. While opening your email ID, you also need to enter the username and password there. This is also the two-way communication. We can say it as interactive type of multimedia. At the railway station, you uses the different machines for entering information like the seat number, confirmation of ticket. You can see the timetable. You can see the different station trains, availability of trains, or at that machine. This is the two-way communication is called the interactive multimedia type of communication. Now we will see the next type of communication. You can read your book. There is examples of interactive multimedia are video games. Video games you can play with the two-way communications is there. Video games, website providing tutorials. There are so many tutorials over the website you can see and you can give the comment over that. And railway station, I have already told about that topic. Now we will see our next topic, non-interactive multimedia. Non-interactive multimedia will only available for watching or just see that video or any multimedia aspect. On the other hand, it denotes one-way communication. It does not allow the user interaction. Underline to that topic, it does not allow the user for the interaction. User cannot interact with that topic in the non-interactive type of multimedia. For example, of non-interactive multimedias are watching movies in the cinema hall. You cannot interact. You cannot go to that film. You cannot do some activities like touch screen or stop that type of video. You can just watch that type of videos. television and radio among the other. You can listen the radio at your home, you can listen the music over that. However, some programmers on the television and radio nowadays, there are some programs on the television and nowadays allows two-way communication. Nowadays it is possible to interact in the different manner, but we can't say it as interactive manner. We can develop that non-interactive multimedia into the multimedia system. Nowadays such programs allows the audience to ask the question, clarify the doubts with the expert speaker, and much more. There are the speaker who ask us the question. For example, we can see in the Kaun Banega Karodpati program, Amitabh Bachchan ji asked us the question and we have to give the answer of the question with our mobile. This is also the way of interactive multimedia that has converted from the non-interactive multimedia. It is the non-interactive multimedia is only the one way communication. Keep it in your mind. Okay, thank you student. Today we have learned both of the topic. Please study it and note your notes into your notebook and do some operations and do some exercise at your home. Okay, thank you.